I'm the director for Ontario for the United Food and Commercial Workers, and my family immigrated to Canada in 1987 from Guatemala as political refugees. My role is being able to support, to empower, to uplift workers on a daily basis, some of Canada's most precarious and vulnerable workers. This year, I was able to do that work through negotiating 6 agreements in Mexico with state governments, with governments that send the most amount of migrant workers to Canada. Those agreements helped over 10,000 workers get access to important services like healthcare services, educational services, and connect them to their social benefits where applicable. In addition to that, it ensured that their entire migration process was protected, that they had representation, and if they ever had issues at work, they were able to access things like open work permits and status, things that have been traditionally not allowed for temporary foreign workers.
It's a great honor to be named amongst such a distinguished group of nominees, and to have won such an important award really signifies that the decisions that my parents made as immigrants really were important and valid.